If you are using Mac but is still doing the things the hard way, you're not alone. These 9 apps made my Mac 10 times faster and I actually use every single one of them every single day. I run a YouTube tech channel, shoot and edit videos, manage my ideas and plan content, and somehow I still have time to train for competition. My Mac is my hub and I'm fine-tuning it with the app that I'm going to show it to you. These apps don't just look cool, they solve real problems that Apple hasn't. We've all copied something, hit Command C one too many times, and boom, it's gone. CopyClip quietly saves your entire clipboard history in your menu bar. Copy text, then access them whenever you want, even when you turn your Mac shut down. It is like an undo for copy-paste, game changer. Apple gave us Notch, but NotchHook turns that wasted space into something useful. It wraps your menu bar around the notch and adds custom zooms for quick actions, like a screen recording, webcam toggle, or file drops. It is static and functional. Let's talk about the MacBook battery. AlDente lets you limit your Mac charger to whatever you like, preserving a long-term health. If you work plugged in like I do, this app literally extends your Mac's lifespan. Have you ever feel like that your menu bar looks like a busy airport? OneMenu hides what you don't need and groups everything neatly. Quick access, less clutter, more sanity. Recut is my secret editing weapon. It automatically detects and removes silences in your video or audio tracks. That means podcast edits, voiceovers, even a full YouTube cut done in a minute, not hours. This app is paid for itself in week 1. This is where my videos are born. Milanote is a visual workspace, like if Trello, Notion and your brain had a baby. I storyboard videos, organize ideas, plan setups and drop screenshots, and sometimes put my thumbnail in there. It is a creative control. Flow isn't flashy, it's focused. It blocks distractions and run Pomodoro timers so I don't waste time half of the day fake working on YouTube. Every focus block earns a break. It is simple but stupidly effective. If you edit, create, or even just think for a living, you need a mental space. Portal creates an immersive work environment, nature visuals, spatial audio, deep focus sound spaces. I use it daily, not because it's cute, because it actually works. Come on, let's be real. The actual Mac video player, it's sometimes trash. Infuse handles every format, adds a clean UI, lets me stream files, sync subtitle, and resume playback. It's look like VLC grew up, got good at designing, and moved to Mac OS. Now, if you are just about to download half of these, just get Setapp. One subscription gives you access to 240 plus premium Mac apps, including a few that I show you today. Think of it like a Netflix but for productivity. I didn't make these to go viral. I made these because these apps made me more focused, creative and efficient. If even one of these helped you, tap subscribe because I've got more coming soon. Tech is supposed to work for you, not distract you. These apps help me to create a better content, stay in flow, and still have a life outside of the screen. Your tools matter, and these are mine.